Hey guys, Kali again for ICE South Africa. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to create our artwork for our YouTube channel. So I use a program called Usign. It's an online program that you can access in your browser from anywhere in the world, and it's really easy. It's got all the templates and stuff built in. It does have a charge. It's a once-off fee that you got to pay, but then you've got use of it forever, and they've got lots of templates and everything built in. So it's just a lot easier than hiring expensive designers or buying expensive programs where you have to pay monthly fees. Really, it's up to you what you want to use. Like I said, I personally prefer Usign. It really makes it easy. I have a link in the bottom, at the bottom of this email, where you can click on and go and see what Usign is all about and sign up for it. I must be honest, I'm not sure exactly what it costs these days to purchase it. It's been ages since I bought it, but that's my favorite design program. So let's have a look at it quickly. We're going to go to New Design. We're going to go to YouTube. And the first thing we're going to work on is our YouTube channel icon for Cape Town is Awesome. Okay, so it opens up the little block where we're going to be working on our space in the right format for YouTube. We're going to upload our logo. So we're just going to click upload and select a file. Cape Town logo, open, and there we go, Cape Town is Awesome logo. We're just going to leave that in the middle of the screen. I think I'm not going to, let's extend it a little bit. And that's it. That's our Cape Town is Awesome logo. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to download it so that it's in the right format. Awesome YouTube. And then there we go. Now it's downloaded. Let's have a quick look here. Sure, I got too much stuff. Cape Town YouTube. And there's our logo for YouTube in the correct format, so we can just upload it. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to design is our YouTube header, which is a little bit tricky, but once again, if you use Usign and the templates there, it actually makes it really easy. So we're going to go New Design, YouTube channel header, and it opens it up like that. So this is the correct dimensions for YouTube. If you click up on the top over here, there's a little thing that shows guidelines. What it does is it shows you what part of the YouTube header shows on different devices, because the thing with YouTube is that the sizes are different for each and every device. So if you design it on the full size, you actually lose a lot of information if people view it on mobile, and unfortunately mobile is probably the place where it gets viewed the most. So you got to design for mobile. So if you look at it over here, you will see that this whole area is visible on TV screens. On laptop and desktop computers, it's this width and only this height. On mobile screens, it's only this width and this height. And on tablet screens, it's only this width and this height. But we are going to be designing for mobile first. So we're going to go to our uploads. We're going to upload an image. Let me just select one. I've picked a nice image which I liked. Just hang on a sec. I've got lots of images. We are going to pick our image. We're going to open it, and it's going to upload. And there we go, our image is uploaded. So what we're going to do, because we don't want the white edges on TV screens necessarily, although on the other hand we would like to see more of the mountain on mobile screens. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to shrink it a bit so that it just fits in on tablet screens. So you've got Table Mountain over there, you've got Lion's Head, you've got the city, and you've got a little bit of the ocean. We can actually bring a bit more of the ocean in. Now that's a nice layout. Now the problem is that we have the rest of the image is now going to be white. So if somebody views it on a desktop or a TV, they're not going to actually see the image. They're just going to have this like white space around. So let's see if there's something else we can stick in there. Let's do background, pattern, something happy maybe. Not really. Let's see. No, that doesn't work. Bubbles? No, not really. Gradient? Not that much, no. Look, the reality is we are designing for phones, because that's where most people consume, not on desktop or laptop, but we still want it to look nice on desktop and laptop. So maybe, actually, you know what I'm going to do? For the background, I'm going to stick an image in. Let's do this. Let's put another image in. And we take that and make it the full size. So let me just show you how I did that. When you've got your image, you select your image and you just click on set as background. Then it sets the image as the background. So now what you'll see is we've got exactly the same image, but we've got it in the background. It's, you know, it's like overlaid. So there we go. I reckon that looks nice. Like I said, once again, the main thing we focused on is the mobile screen area, which is this little section here. Now we're going to put some text in. Headline. Let's type a channel about awesome stuff in Cape Town. Channel about awesome stuff in Cape Town. Let's just select the whole lot, and we're going to set our text size to 200. No, that's a bit much. 150. There you go. A channel about awesome stuff to do in Cape Town. Let's just change our text color. Click over there. As you can see, we are still outside the mobile viewing area, so let's make it a little bit smaller. And there we go. A channel about awesome stuff to do in Cape Town. So let's just take the lines away. This is what it will look like on TV screens, and on mobile you will just see that little section over there. And that's it. That's our YouTube header done. So we're going to download it. Cape Town YouTube header. And that's it. All our YouTube headers and stuff is done, so we can upload it to YouTube. I'll show you how to in the next video. Thanks. Cheers.